Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Sanders. We are going to review our shapes. Today we have plane shapes and we have solid shapes. Our plane shapes, okay, are 2D shapes. They are flat and not fat. The other shapes we have are solid shapes, solid figures, and they are fat and not flat. They are 3D shapes. So go ahead and pull your card out and you can read this card with me. The first shape we have is a circle. There are no straight lines. It is one continuous line that is curved. Let's spell the word circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. The word is circle. The next shape is a 2D shape and it is a square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, 4 right corners. Let's spell the word square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. The next shape is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. It has 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay, and all 3 lines are connected. This is a triangle. Let's spell triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. The next shape is an oval. An oval is a continuous curved line that keeps going and going and going. It never stops. And it does not have any sides or corners. Let's spell oval. O-V-A-L. The next shape is a rectangle. A rectangle looks like a door, right? It's got 1, 2 long sides that are opposite of each other, but they're also parallel. They're going in the same direction. It also has 1, 2 other sets of lines that are opposite from each other and parallel. So they have 2 sets of opposite parallel lines and 4 right corners. And sometimes a rectangle can be a square. A rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. They also have 2 sets of opposite parallel lines, just like a rectangle does. This side is opposite and parallel to this side. They're going in the same direction and they never cross. This side here and this side are opposite of each other and they are also going in the same direction. This is a rhombus. Let's spell rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S. The next shape is a parallelogram. And a parallelogram is a shape that has 2 sets of parallel lines. So right now, this rectangle up here is a parallelogram, and so is the square. The rhombus is also a parallelogram. A parallelogram does not have to have equal sides. It just has to have 2 sets of opposite parallel lines that are going in the same direction. A trapezoid is next. We didn't spell parallelogram. Let's spell that. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M. Whew, that was a big word. Parallelogram. What is the next shape? A trapezoid. A trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, which that also means that it's a quadrilateral. Parallelograms are quadrilateral, so is a rhombus and a rectangle and a square because they have 4 sides. Any shape that has 4 sides is a quadrilateral. The difference between the trapezoid and the rhombus is that it only has 1 set of parallel lines. A trapezoid does not have 2 sets. It has 1 set. Remember, a set is something that goes together, just like my glasses has a set of lenses and my eyes are a set and shoes are a set. They come in pairs, right? So that is 1 set of parallel lines and then 2 sides that go up towards each other, that if they were continuous lines, they would actually touch and cross over each other. That is a trapezoid. It looks like a roof of a house, right? Let's spell trapezoid. 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 The next shape is a pentagon, just like the penthouse, right? Pentagon means 5. And it looks like a little bit like a house tube. A pentagon is any shape that has 5 lines that are connected. It has 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. Okay, so penta means 5. Hexagon. Hexagon is next. A hexagon, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. Some of you like to play with hex bugs. Hex means 6. And we have 6 sides in a hexagon. And if I were to draw a line right through my hexagon, it would look like 2 what? Trapezoids. It would look just like 2 trapezoids. Hexagon means 6 sides, 6 corners, and all of the lines are connected. It is a closed shape. We have 2 more shapes. These ones are new. We have heptagon, Heptagon. A heptagon is 7-sided shape. And an octagon, this one we know because usually every time we see an octagon, it is red and it says stop in the middle. So an octagon, that's a terrible job coloring. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. So an octagon, let's spell that. Octagon, octagon. Let's say our shapes really fast. Okay, here we go. Circle, square, triangle, oval, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. Okay? Great job today.